Sketchup using an image. So first you have draw rectangle. Then draw a line diagonally. Now select entire face and use Artisan tool. Select Subdivide option. Just click multiple times to divide in small faces. Now here you need to install Scale by Tool plugin, which is free. Now select all faces. Then click over this option. Then choose Height Map Image. Then click OK. You can see the results here. All faces is perfectly extruded. Now use JHS Powerbar plugin to smooth all edges. Now select edges of this model. Then use JHS Powerbar plugin Extrude Edge option. Then extrude it. Now draw line close back face. Then use Solid tool to make sure that model is solid or not. Now use Slicer tool. Select Model, click over first option. Then set parameters. Now your model is sliced perfectly. For more content, please share, subscribe, and like. Thank you.